You know, when you push it in the first time, you are really shaking because it seems to be just.
The pandemic has taught us that public service is very essential. It's a very essential service in our daily lives. And because it is a very essential service in our daily lives, we as public service, we need to reflect back. How do we make this public service better? We need to make it better first by reminding ourselves of the public service values. We need to revitalize these values. As public service, we believe in the values of excellence, values of integrity, values of apathy, values of impartiality and equality. And it is these values that enable the public service to deliver the required service to our citizens. So I call upon you all and focus on the whole of government perspective. Let the collective purpose shape our thinking and actions. Instead of drawing boundaries, let's seek out opportunities for collaboration. We need to drive change through transforming the public service for a better future.
Nationally and internationally, we attract sports lovers also to come to our country.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.